Hi, I'm Lizzie Akerman and I've been practicing yoga for 25 years. And I really believe that yoga is for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner or if you're a seasoned yogi who's been, doing it for a really long time. There's always something that's going to make you feel good in yoga. And this morning practice is going to help you feel connected with your body, your breathing, and really set you up for a good day. And actually your energy is most receptive in the morning as well, so you can kind of set the tone for your day. So we'll begin in a comfortable seated pose. This is called Sukhasana in yoga. So sitting comfortably, place the hands on the knees. Close the eyes and take a deep breath. With an easy exhale, sit with a long straight spine, relax the shoulders. And if you feel like you need some extra grounding this morning, you can place the palms of the hands down. Maybe give your knees a squeeze just to feel that connection with yourself, with your own body. Or if you want to feel a bit more open, expansive and ready to receive, you can bring the palms of the hands up. So we'll stay here for a few breaths, just simply following the breath up and down. You can bring your awareness to the tips of your toes and follow the inhale up to the crown of your head. And then the crown of the head, on the exhale down to the tips of the toes, just scanning the body up and down. Just a few more breaths here. One more breath. And now open the eyes and place the right hand beside you. And on an inhale, sweep the left arm up and over. You can gaze up to the sky and you can really bend into that right elbow as much as you want. Stretch the fingers and keep breathing nice and deeply here. You can close the eyes if you want to. Just really opening up the side body and also feel that lovely space underneath your arm. Reaching, enjoying your breath. A couple more breaths here. And exhale back down. Inhale, a big sweep of the other side. Again, bending into the elbow as much as you want. And feeling the space underneath your arm. You can bring your gaze up. Equal length inhales and exhales here. One more easy breath. And exhale down. Okay, good. Right, we'll come to all fours. This is also called a tabletop. So just follow me, hands beneath the shoulders, knees beneath the hip bones. We'll just make some circles with the hips in one direction first, and this can be really slowly, careful of your spine. Lingering in any spots, any places that you feel you need to. It is the morning, so we're going nice and slowly, being easy with the body, but finding that space, feeling that space that we can create, easing into any tension. And you can close the eyes here and just find that kind of natural link with your breath and your movement. And you'll find that quicker if you close your eyes, you'll really feel it. It feels really nice. And then we'll go in the other direction, nice and slowly, easily. And these circles can be quite small or they can be big. It just depends how you feel. It depends what kind of night's sleep you've had as well. If you feel a bit tight and restricted or open. So just another moment here, there's no rushing. And then we'll come back to all fours, so back to neutral. Take a deep breath. Good, okay. And we'll bring the knees together. We'll tuck the toes. We'll take a full breath in through the nose here. Open the mouth, exhale, slowly lower down. So you're sitting back on the heels. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit, it doesn't matter if you're really low down, but just give your toes that nice stretch. And you can reach forward with the arms if you want, so you can come up onto the fingertips. Breathing easily. Good. We'll stay here for 3 more breaths. And you can follow what I'm doing with my hands. I'm walking my fingers away, or you can rest on your forearms. It's up to you. 2 more deep breaths here. And now slowly rise up. We're coming back to all fours. So untuck your toes. That's really good. Okay. And we'll bring the knees just hip width apart. Hands beneath the shoulders again. And we'll run through a few cat-cows. And this is really good for bringing some movement into the spine, especially after a night's sleep. So we'll inhale to cow. So your gaze is straight ahead. You're arching the back. And exhale to cat. Big exhale. Bring your gaze between your legs. The tummy button is pulled up. You're rounding the back and the shoulders. Lovely. Again, inhale to cow. You can breathe really deeply here. Exhale to cat. Scoop the tummy button up. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Back to neutral. Okay. We'll bring the knees as wide as the mat. Big toes are touching. Just bring your gaze straight ahead first. And now we'll take a full breath in through the nose. Open the mouth, a big exhale. Slowly lower down into Balasana. Wide knee child's pose. And you can go down so slowly so you feel that really yummy release in your hips. You can bring the forehead to the mat. And breathe. And in yoga, we store emotions in our hips. So it's really good to release there. Two more breaths. And now slowly rise up. You can rise up just as slowly as you went down. You can still feel that release in your hips as you come back up. Okay, back to all fours. And we'll tuck the toes. Bring your gaze straight ahead. Take a deep breath here. Easy exhale. Good, okay. Come through to downward dog, nice and slowly. So your feet are hip width apart. You're spreading the fingers, protect your wrists. Send the hips up nice and high. You can encourage the heels down to the mat. Let's pedal the feet a little bit, just to stretch the backs of the legs. Keep breathing nice and deeply, steadily. And there's a reason that we return to downward dog. This is this pose. So many times in yoga, it's really grounding, energizing. Okay, one more deep breath. And now inhale, look up. And on an exhale, we'll step to the front of the mat. It doesn't matter if you do this in a few steps or just one. And now we'll roll up the spine. Really slowly. And inhale, sweep the arms up, gaze up, bring the hands to prayer, and exhale, prayer to heart center. Arms by your side. Okay, so standing tall, another inhale, sweep the arms up, hands in prayer, gaze up, exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees, bring the palms of the hands to the mat. Tuck the chin in and step back to downward dog. Take a breath here. And we'll drop the knees to the mat. Untuck the toes, we'll come back to a comfortable seat. So back to Sukhasana, sitting comfortably, hands on the knees. Let's close the eyes. Sitting with a long straight spine, really relax the shoulders. Palms of the hands can be down again or up. You can choose just whichever feels best for you. And we'll take a couple of deep breaths here. And now open the eyes. And I really hope that this practice this morning helps you feel good. It connects you with your breath, your body, makes you feel more ready for the day and energized. And if you like it, I hope you did, then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you again.